the importance of perceptual vitality comes in, and this is where I say penicillin is the good news and the bad news. So prior to 1920s, 30s, 40s, people often died from infection. And then and actually penicillin was discovered by accident. Fleming went away on vacation. When he came back to his lab, the mold had grown in his culture, and he was like, hey, wait a minute, there's something going on here. But I would say that really shifted the focus of healthcare into the body as a chemistry set that we have to now manipulate. Or the drugs that we use somehow are designed, they fool the body, or they're like we're going to put a pharmaceutical spell over the body to trick it into healing. And I'm going to suggest that that's why all medications have side effects, because it's the body's way of resisting being doped or drugged because it wants to be heard in terms of the vitality that we've been talking about this weekend and other information that I probably haven't presented. And so my question is why is it that we can't create pharmaceuticals that work in harmony with the body? Why is there side effects? Even aspirin causes intestinal bleeding when you digest it, and non-aspirin pain relievers cause liver damage over time. Like we can't even come up with a pain reliever that doesn't cause harm. So that to me is really the importance of the perceptual vitality.